It's Morning Edition, midway point through January of 2026. It's hard to believe. I mean, it's all happening quick. We say that every single time because it's the truth. And that's what CANDO is about. Life is fast. It goes by very quickly. We don't always have time to look around us and see what's happening in our community, find new things to do, maybe new experiences to go out and grab a piece of. And that's why we talk to this guy right here.
Yes, I am CANDO Plus, and before you know it, you're gonna look up, and it's gonna be Christmas. I promise you that.
I was talking with a couple people about this. You've actually become like the cosmic social cultural tour guide for us who are extremely busy in life.
And I wear it as a badge of honor, Chuck.
How's everything been going with you?
Everything's been going great. I've been looking for some new places to eat at, and I think I might have at least found some recipes.
Which I believe will kind of tie us into our first event of many that we'll be talking about this week, where we'll also tell you how you can get your event listed on CANDO. But the first event is food. What's going on?
All aboard the Vegan Express. This is going to be Thursday, January 15th at 6 p.m. at Pearl Library over in Newport News.
Tonight. All right.
Vegan food doesn't have to be complicated, time-consuming, or expensive. It can definitely be tasty, So join Newport News Public Library for some ideas and recipes that's going to help you make healthy cooking part of your new year. That could be a resolution, right?
Absolutely. I did the vegan thing for like 2 years, and I will say it definitely is life-changing.
That's right. It says 18 and up, so it might be some nice little libations and drinks in the recipes.
Yeah, and if you've been considering like the plant-based thing, I know it's taken off again. The first 2 weeks are the hardest, so those libations may be exactly what you need.
I hear that, Chuck.
All right. So for the next one, it is almost Martin Luther King Day again, and we do have an observance and another event to speak about. We've had a couple of these going on, which is fantastic to have. So what's this one?
Yep, we have the 42nd Regional Martin Luther King Jr. Community Celebration Dinner, and it's going to be tonight, January 15th at 5:30 p.m. It's going to be over in Virginia Beach at the Virginia Beach Convention Center.
Oh, okay. Got it.
The Urban League of Hampton Roads presents this annual event themed Becoming Beloved Community. That's COMM Unity. Honoring Dr. King's legacy, the keynote speaker is going to be Carly Fiorina.
Oh, who also serves as the chair of the 250th Commission here in the Commonwealth of Virginia. So
that's right, and this is a regional tradition that brings together communities across the 757 for an evening of recognition and reflection.
Excellent. So that's tonight at the Virginia Beach Convention Center. And now we're going to stay in Virginia Beach because it's a very big week. We wait for it every single year. Bring your stomachs. Restaurant Week is back.
Yep, this is the Virginia Beach Restaurant Week 2026. And it's going to be Friday, tomorrow, January 16th. And it's going to, have various participating restaurants throughout Virginia Beach.
This is a tradition. It happens every year. A bunch of restaurants participate in it, and it's really a chance for you to taste what the city is about.
Yeah, so there's going to be local chefs, blends, heritage, and innovation. It's going to be crafting menus that capture both the history and heartbeat of the birthplace of American cuisine. More than 25 restaurants, so yeah, sounds tasty to me.
Yeah, they have like all kinds of pricing specials, and it's just amazing. You can eat one end of Virginia Beach to the other.
That's right. So tomorrow night is the 16th. So all right, so mark on your calendars. You ended your New Year's resolution.
Yeah, time of death, January 16th for Restaurant Week in Virginia Beach.
Right.
Oh, I can't wait. All right, so for the last one, let's get some laughs in. I understand we have a comedy show.
Yep, for some laughs, we got Martin Lawrence. Y'all know what it is. Tour. It's going to be Saturday, January 17th at 8 p.m. at the Dome over in Virginia Beach. Everybody knows Martin Lawrence. Like, one of my favorite shows is still Martin and the Fresh Prince. But yeah, Martin's bringing his stand-up over to Virginia Beach, and we just got to check it out. It's just what it is. He's always funny every single time, so yeah.
All right, Martin Lawrence at the Dome, Saturday night, Virginia Beach. So listen, new year, new you, new events. We want to hear about your events, but please send them in to us with 2 weeks advance notice. The email address you send those events to is
CANDO@WHRO.org.
2 weeks.
2 weeks. Please and thank you.
All right, CANDO Plus. Till next week. Thanks so much.
Later, guys.
Have a great rest of your week. This is WHRV's Morning Edition.